Hello traders, John at StockBookie.com. Today we're looking at the IBB on the daily, weekly, monthly time frames using technical analysis here at StockBookie.com. So let's go right to the daily chart of the IBB. 26 million on the day, 63 cents up, 0.20%. You know, not that great of a day. A little bit green, but what a last 4 days, guys. I mean, 4 days up. Now we're consolidating. So let's see what happens. 320 is the 70 is the gap fill. This was gap window at 318.20. Gosh, a couple months. Well, probably all the way back into November or so. Let's go back. Longer than that, guys. Right here. So in 2015, or right here, we had some big gaps. Where is it? January 2016. We had some big gaps to fill. Gap window, and we still have a couple more going up. So let's see if this thing can rally up to the 340 area. This is going to be the big area in here with gap fill and gap window. So that's from 331 to 340 area on the chart. So watch for that. But right now, we're in the first area of good resistance. Let's see if we go sideways to set up for the next up move. We did get above this trend line. And this one, guys, that's a key one. That's a trend line breakout with a bullish pattern. Boom, 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 boom. Gosh, this thing took off too, man. But looking at it now, hindsight, we know how that works, guys. Weekly chart. It's easy to know why this thing's going now. Everything else is at the all-time highs. All the other indexes, guys, all-time highs. This is lagging. Even the XLF. Oil isn't doing that good, but that's a different story. We're going to talk about that in another video later on tonight. But right now, bearish overall. Here's your gap fills. Here's your big one up in here. So let's see if we can shoot over that next week. We had some really good volume on this candle on the weekly. Let's see if we can shoot up a little bit higher and get some follow through. Next area, 339.25 is gap fill, right in that. And then 361. You also have 331, 332 area as well. That's where this gap window is. But when it broke down, you know, you need some volume. You need a good push to get this thing up. You had a nice trend line breakout right here. Above all the moving average. See how it curled into price, and then finally it got this thing going. Let's see if it stays up here, or to go sideways now for the next leg up, or does this thing come reverse, come right back down. So we'll keep an eye on the pattern on the weekly and the daily. These are the shorter time frames. But right now, guys, overall bearish. But here's a trend line. This is the channel it's been going in for gosh, almost a year and a half or so, and might be breaking out. If this does, they're going to go for the all-time highs again, guys. That's what they're going to do with this one. It's the last index, guys, to make a run, so they're going to have to do it. You know, everything else is at all-time highs, like I said. They got to get this one going. I mean, look at this. But this is a big bearish pattern, guys, with this inside bar. This is huge in the 332 to 340 area up in here. If it makes it through there, we might have a possibility we go up in this area. If you are not short the IBB, wait for at least 344. And then the 400 area. You can start to nibble maybe around 360 or so. But if you're short with us, if it starts getting above in this area, you might have to stop out and possibly reshort at the 400 area. So keep an eye on that. Volume's okay. We'll see what the monthly close does. Right now, this thing could come right back in next week and shut down here. But remember, 4th of July coming up, not this week, but next week, and usually the week before the holiday week or the Tuesday. It's only one day, but a lot of people take off or take time off, so watch out for that. Markets could be really quiet, and these things can sit and just, you know, kill the puts. So, all right, watch out for the IBB. Keep an eye on for these patterns. Let's go back to the daily really quick. Same thing. Let's watch for consolidation, up or down. We'll see what the pattern gives us next week. All right, guys, thanks for stopping by, watching my videos. Go to my website, StockBookie.com. Sign up. It's free. And if you enjoy this, you'll get some email alerts and some other good stuff, too. We do some live stuff. We haven't done it in a couple weeks, but we're looking to do some live stuff hopefully next week if I could get some free time. So, all right, guys, thanks again for watching my videos. God bless. See you on the charts.